Your kid spills slime all over the rug. You feel your chest tighten, your jaw clench. Every part of you wants to yell, but instead you stop. You take a breath. You say, okay, I need a minute to yourself. You step away. That moment, that pause is modeling regulation, and it really becomes that emotional anchor that your kid needs to be able to regulate themselves. One mom I worked with had a son who mirrored every outburst. When she slammed a door, he slammed one. When she yelled, he yelled louder. She realized he wasn't just reacting, he was actually copying her. But then she paused. She took a deep breath and said out loud, I'm frustrated, so I'm going to stretch. Something different happened. He copied her calm instead of chaos. I think he was startled by what he saw. They both reset, and then without the fight, they cleaned up the mess together. This is the M in calms, modeling coping skills. Kids don't learn calm by being told to calm down. Who hates that? Everybody. They learn by watching what you do when you're upset, when you're frustrated, when you're stressed. Thanks to mirror neurons, their nervous system literally syncs to yours. Your breath, your posture, your tone all become the roadmap on how to handle big emotions, disappointments, frustrations, uncomfortableness, right? All things that kids and parents we have to face, and we have to learn how to tolerate, not avoid, but learn to tolerate. Here's what your action step is, right? How do you bring this calm? How do you model for home? You're going to narrate one coping skill out loud this week. Say something like, I'm taking a breath because I feel frustrated, or I'm shaking out my arms because my body feels tense. Let them see how you regulate yourself in real time. This is what co-regulation sounds like. You want them to hear you managing life's moments, because life isn't easy, and we need to be able to show them, hey, this is hard and this is what I did. Remember, because calm isn't taught, it's caught. When you model it, you're wiring your child's brain with skills they carry for life. We never want to hide our stressors. We want to show them how we problem solve, manage, and cope with them, and what are the skills. And these are the things our kids pick up, because lectures don't work, right? Who's not doing that? Everybody's doing that. It's really these moments are so meaningful. Do you want to have more skills like this? Do you want to learn how to actually model coping skills? Well, you can go to our Quick Calm, which is 7 days to calmer parenting. It's something inexpensive and easy that every parent can do. You go to drroseann.com/Quick Calm. It's a 7-day program that's going to teach you the 5 steps of our calms protocol, really in depth, so that you can learn how to do these skills like a pro.